Welcome to the installation video of Wozart Switch Controller Mini. You are just a few simple steps away from converting your switchboard into a smart one. These are the simple tools you will need to connect Wozart to your switchboard. Understanding the Switch Controller Mini. As you can see at the back of the device, there are slots provided. N neutral, P phase or live, and loads L1 and L2. And a unique setup code to pair your devices. The slot to the right of the device is the switch connector slot, which is the output of the device. The wireless antenna for Wi-Fi connectivity. Before we proceed, make sure you identify the loads you want to automate and their corresponding switches. Now switch off the power supply to the particular switchboard. Open the switchboard panel and unscrew as shown. As you can see, every switch will have two terminals in the back. One terminal will be commonly connected across all the switches through a naked wire. This is the power supply or live to the switches. The other terminal has the wire connecting your appliance to the switch. Disconnect the wires of the two loads you want to automate and connect them to the slots L1 and L2 of the Wozart Switch Controller Mini. Switchboards with the power socket, the bottom left terminal has a neutral phase connected. Identify the neutral wire and cut through the sleeve of the wire. Take a piece of wire and connect one of its ends to the stripped part of the neutral wire. Connect the other end of this wire to the end slot of the device. If there is no power socket, the neutral will be an unconnected black or blue wire behind the switchboard. Divide the naked phase wire, which is connected across all the switches, into separate phases for automated and non-automated loads. Use a small wire to connect the non-automated phase to the P slot in the Switch Controller Mini. Make sure that the automated loads are not connected directly to the power supply. Now take the switch connector wire and connect the yellow wire to the slot from which you disconnected the live wire. Connect the brown wire to the slot previously connected to the first load. Similarly, connect the black wire to the second load. Once completed, plug in the connector to the switch connector slot on the device. Fit the device in the box properly and close the switchboard. Now switch on the power supply